This is a video on how to get these forehand grips off. If you got enough strength in your thumb and your fingers, you just pull down on this D-ring and pull them off. But I don't have the strength. A lot of people don't. Some of those springs are really tough. So we're going to use a channel lock. And these come off kind of hard. So I'm going to use this little Allen wrench also. When I get them down, I'm just going to stick it in this bottom hole. Use this to pull them off. So all you do is take your channel lock. Gun's been already checked, empty. Magazine out. Chamber's empty. So you put your channel lock on the D-ring. Squeeze with this hand. At the same time, I'm going to put this back in there. I usually put it in the bottom hole. Let gravity work for you. Push it down, not up. Hang on to this. You squeeze with your left. Push down with your right and left at the same time. Pull. And that thing comes off. And you don't need this anymore. Turn it around. Put the handles on the D-ring. Squeeze with this hand. Push down. As you're pushing down, keep it down. Keep the pressure. Just pull it off. Works very, very well. Put them back on. Same thing. Get this all set. There's a little lip there. You can see the lip. That's got to go underneath. Squeeze with this hand. Push down with the right and the left all together. And slide that into place. Turn it around. Ahead of myself here. The channel lock's on, squeeze a little bit, keep it in place. Put that in place. Squeeze, push down, snap it in place. And then this delta ring should come right up to the bottom, and if they don't, just snap it and it'll snap in. And that's all there's to it. This works really great. Thanks for watching.